Gandang hapon, everyone! We warmly welcome you all to our second raffle draw, brought to you by
Alano & Sons Credit Corporation,
which continues to support families and dreams.
Alano & Sons Credit Corporation has faithfully served its client for more than 37 years. In appreciation of your steadfast support, we once again give thanks and give back to those who have made this milestone possible. As a quick trivia, did you know that GA represents the late Gregorio Alano, the visionary founder behind the growing Alano & Sons?
There you have it! We are officially live on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube worldwide. Are you excited to win? Don't forget to like,
Follow,
and share our live stream.
and special shoutout sa ating mga clients, no? Sa kanilang mga bahay-bahay,
Yes,
sa kanilang
gandang
mga
hapon.
paaralan at mga opisina. Shoutout sa inyong magandang araw po.
Before we proceed, allow us to briefly explain the raffle mechanics. To join, you only need to complete 2 easy steps.
First step, avail a loan account with a gross amount of 100,000 pesos at your nearest Alano & Son branches to earn one raffle entry.
And step 2 is to refer a friend and receive 1 additional raffle entry, giving you more chances to win exciting prizes.
To maintain transparency and credibility, the following validation steps were strictly observed. First, all raffle entries are complete and official.
Second, no duplicate or unverified entries were included.
Third, the official list of winners will be posted after final validation. This promo is authorized per DTI Fair Trade Permit number DTI R900230 of 2025.
To formally confirm the validity of today's raffle draw, we respectfully acknowledge our DTI Dipolog Office witnesses
We have Mr. Edgar Dayot Jr.
and
Hi, sir.
Miss Amy Chris S. Digamon.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, mga sir and ma'am. Thank you for visiting us.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am and Sir, for being with us today.
And therefore, if you are not yet a client, you are still welcome to join and win. Hurry and visit any Alano & Sons branches near you before the official Grand Draw on April 18, 2026 for a chance to win an exciting trip to Palawan
Malaysia
and Singapore.
And other exciting prizes awaits you only here in
Alano & Sons Credit Corporation. This promo is open to participants from the following areas. First, we have the CPMO area or the Sumbanga Peninsula Misamis Occidental area. We have Dipolog,
Pagadian,
Buug,
Sindangan,
Calamba.
and Liloy branch.
Also, we have from MLBA area, we have Misamis, Lanao, Bukidnon, and Agusan area. We have Iligan branch,
San Francisco,
Valencia,
Hingoog,
Butuan.
and Lala branch.
And last but not the least, we have the Cebu Leyte area. We have Ormoc,
Bugo,
Camotes,
Lapu-Lapu,
Toledo,
Mandaue,
Bantayan.
and soon to open the Tacloban branch.
During our first raffle draw on October 13, 3 fortunate winners claimed a Samsung A26 cell phone,
Yes.
while additional 15 winners received 25 kilograms of rice as their prizes. Are you the next lucky winner for this time?
And today, we're excited to reveal the prizes for our second raffle draw. One lucky winner from the ZPMO area
Also, one lucky winner from MLBA area.
and Cebu Leyte area will take home a brand new Brother Printer.
But that's not all. We also have 15 winners of 25 kilos of rice.
with 5 winners coming from each areas mentioned.
Okay, at this point, we now proceed to the raffle draw proper.
We will start with the 5 winners of 25 kilos of rice coming from the ZPMO areas. So, we have 1,623 entries from the ZPMO areas.
Before we start spinning the wheel of names, no, ato sang i-shoutout ang atong mga branches, no? Atong i-check ang live sa atong Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. No? How about main 1 and main 2? Nag-comment down below na ba mo?
So, main 1 and main 2.
How about Pagadian 1 and Pagadian 2?
How about Buog and Sindangan? Are you with us in this live?
Also, we have Liloy and Calamba. Kamusta mga ma'am and sir? Shoutout sa inyong tanan. Okay.
Who could be the lucky winner? Could it be from Dipolog or Pagadian or other branches?
Nanabuo mo yung guess? Kami, naanami mga guess.
Okay, so now we will officially start our raffle for the ZPMO areas. For the first winner of 25 kilos of rice, we have... Congratulations! From Buog, we have Pilot Lovejoy D. Congratulations!
Ma'am.
Another winner of our 25 kilos rice,
We have from Pagadian 2, we have Ma'am Nimpa Mier D.
congratulations, Ma'am Nimpa. For our third winner of a 25 kilos rice from ZPMO area, congratulations from Pagadian 2, we have Aba Monga Desiree C. Congratulations, Ma'am Desiree.
Okay, for the fourth winner of our 25 kilos of rice from Liloy Branch, Ma'am Lumolho Leia. Congratulations,
Ma'am
ma'am.
Leia. And our last winner of 25 kilos rice from the ZPMO area, we have... Congratulations to... From Pagadian 2, we have Sibial Rhea G.
Congratulations, ma'am. And for the major prize for the brand new
Another
printer,
printer. From the ZPMO area again, we have...
congratulations. From main 1,
Ma'am Ruales Annalisa Pahe.
congratulations, ma'am, for winning a brand new brother printer. And now, let's move on to MLBA area. But before that, let's check sa ang mga comments sa ato ang live, no?
Yes.
Say hi, no, sa ato ang mga clients and employees sa MLBA area, no? Check sa nato ang Iligan branch. Say hi sa comment section.
Hi, Iligan Branch.
And also from Lala branch. Hello, hello.
With us in this live stream.
And also, we have Hingoo branch. Hi mga ma'am and sir. And Iso Valencia branch. Comment down below, please like and share. And also, Butuan branch. Hi mga ma'am and sir. And lastly, no? Ato ang San Francisco branch. Nabi mo sa live karon? Don't forget to please like and share ang ato ang live karon. Okay? Let's begin.
So our MLB areas, we have 2,430 entries coming from our MLBA areas. Okay, so let's start our raffle. For our first winner of 25 kilos rice, in Butuan branch, we have Canyonero Arnold M.
Congratulations, sir. For the second winner of 25 kilos of rice. Congratulations. From Hingoo branch, Ma'am Amaya Darlene Desinelia. Congratulations, ma'am.
Darlene. For our third winner of 25 kilos rice,
We have
from Iligan branch, we have Permitis Joanne Olado.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Joanne.
For the fourth winner of 25 kilos of rice, we have from Iligan Branch, Sir Aguilar Ledon Senior G. Congratulations, sir.
Ledon. Another for our last winner of 25 kilos rice coming from the MLBA area, we have from Iligan Branch again, Ma'am Ugay Michelle Toble. Congratulations, Ma'am Michelle.
Okay, for the another major prize, the Brother Printer from MLBA area, we have congratulations to from Iligan Branch again, we have Taniedo Alejandro Jr. Congratulations, sir.
Alejandro. Okay, so we have more lucky winners no from coming from Iligan Branch.
So congratulations to Ma'am Mais Ligag, no? Ang branch manager sa Iligan Branch, no? 4 winners coming from their branch.
Yes,
Isip
congratulations.
eto sa ako ang Iligan Branch, ang daghan kay sila winners.
Could it be from daghan og na refer daw ko ang mga clients?
Okay, if ever maka-refer ka, successful lang makasulod sa Alano Instance 1 and 3.
Yes, additional 1 entry. But if you already have borrowed 100,000, so automatic, 1 raffle entries na siya.
Maybe, daghan silang clients, no?
Yes.
So, kamong nang kalantaw karon sa live, you still have a chance, no? To get more entry. Kaya if ever maka-refer pa mo lain, no?
Yes.
Inyong mga kailay, inyong mga co-teachers, office mates, or inyong mga relatives na naa sa government, no?
It's
You can also refer.
Napatay third raffle draw o ato ang grand raffle draw.
Okay.
Okay, so congratulations na to our MLBA area. So we now proceed to our Cebu, Leyte areas.
We have 2022 official entries for this area.
Okay, let's start. For our first winner of 25 kilos of rice,
We have from Toledo Branch, Ma'am Arzala Leia B. Congratulations, Ma'am Leia.
Another winner of our 25 kilos rice from the Cebu, Leyte area. From Toledo Branch, we have Bongalos Lilian O.
Okay, let's shuffle again. For the third winner of 25 kilos of rice for the Cebu Leyte area, we have from Lapu-Lapu area, we have Ma'am Linaw Maria Linda C. Congratulations.
2 more to go. For our fourth winner,
Congratulations. From Mandawi Branch, Sir Kapwa Aljerico VG. Congratulations, sir. Okay, for the fifth winner, last winner of the 25 kilos of rice.
yes, before our major prize.
We have
From Camotes Branch, we have Nodalo Jaquilu D.
okay, for the last major prize, the Brother Printer. No, let's shuffle and spin the wheel of name of the lucky winner. For the last winner of the Brother Printer, we have congratulations from Bantayan Branch. We have Escanilian Teresita. Congratulations, ma'am.
Teresita.
Maagang pamasko ni Alano and Sons.
For transparency purposes, we will now read the complete list of raffle winners.
Okay, let's begin with the CPMO area. Okay, we have now the list. The first winner we have from Buog, we have Pilot
Lovejoy.
Lovejoy. Also, from Pagadian 2, we have Ma'am Nimpa Mier. Okay, from another one from Prague 2, we have Abumunga Desiree.
Iloilo, we have Numolho Leia.
Also, another from Pagadian 2 again, Ma'am Sibial Ria D.
And our winner of our brother printer from Main 1, we have Ma'am Ruales Annalisa Pahe.
Okay, congratulations for the CPMO area winners. Now let's jump on for the MLBA area. The 5 winners of 25 kilo rice we have from Butuan, Canyumero Arnold.
From Hingoog, we have Ma'am Amaya Darlene.
From Iligan, we have Permites Joan Otado.
And another from Iligan, we have Ma'am Aguilar Lidon Sr.
We also have from Iligan another one, no? Ugay Michelle.
And our brother printer award is given to, from Iligan again, we have Taniedo Alejandro Jr.
Okay. For the last area, we have the Cebu Leyte area. The 5 winners of 25 kilos of rice, we have first, Toledo, Ma'am Arazila Leia B.
And another from Toledo, we have Ma'am Bongalos Lilian.
Also, from the Lapu-Lapu, we have Linaw Maria Linda C.
From Mandaue, Ma'am Kapwa Algereco. Miss Sir Kapwa Algereco.
Okay. Last, we have Camotes, Ma'am Nodalo Jackie Ludi.
And our brother printer from Bantayan is Canelan Teresita.
Congratulations for all of the winners of our second raffle draw.
To all our winners, please take note of the following prize claiming guidelines.
To claim your prizes, please proceed to your nearest Alano & Sons branches within 60 days from the release of the official list on our official Facebook page.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners.
Maraming salamat po to everyone who participated as well as to our organizer, partners, and witnesses.
This formally concludes our raffle draw program. Thank you and see you on the third raffle draw on February 18, 2026. Stay tuned to our official Facebook page for the posting and instructions.
See you and gandang araw!